All right, so it was midday. We were bow fishing, and we ended up early morning just trolling gravel banks and stuff, but once that sun came up, we had to end up going to some shade trees. So we went to an island. There was a bunch of carp up underneath these shade trees right when we got there, and Tanner, he lost a giant grass carp, probably about a 30-pound grass carp, and we ended up seeing another one, and we were gonna do everything we could do to try to not let this one get away.
Yeah, okay.
I see him, man. Up there against the base of that tree. Hey, let's try to...
Are we getting in?
No, I don't know. Here. Hey, right up there, right up there.
Oh, there's 2 big ones. He can do it, he can do it. I'll keep this back.
I walked up behind this tree and I got down on my knees and shot. And I shot him, there was water going everywhere. Tanner, the youngest one, he threw me in the gaff, and I gaffed the fish. And that was the end of Mr. Grass Carp.
You ain't connected to that line no more.